It's just a quick video, this one. I had some stripes which I got quite cheaply that are not really the best quality. I have put stripes on a tank before and sprayed over with clear, so you might want to look at that video as well. But this just shows you the basic technique for putting on decals using water and using a squeegee. It's not bad. It makes the tank look a hell of a lot better, and it'll last for a while. That, I mean, the stickers might last forever if you polish them and keep them going. But I do intend to repaint this tank, so this might be helpful and it's worth a watch. Doesn't half make the bike look a lot better. that's the stripes on. I'm not going to put a clear coat over these because, I say, I don't intend for this to stay like this. I'm intending to repaint this tank at some stage, and I'm really not sure what colour I'll go for yet. If you enjoy this kind of thing, why not look at our videos, look at our other videos, especially the one about the stripes on the K0, where I perhaps did a little bit better of a job. Anyway, it'd be nice if you haven't, if you could subscribe, give us a like, thumbs up, that kind of thing. But thanks for watching, and let's see what we get up to next.